text that inhales and exhales. Peaceful, hypnotic. One keyframe property makes this work, and one animation keyword makes it loop perfectly without any extra code. Breathing text. Animating letter spacing, opacity, and transform with the alternate animation direction. 4 variations: basic breathing, gradient pulse, scale breath, and staggered wave letters. The key property is animation direction alternate. By default, animations play from start to end, then jump back to start and repeat. Alternate changes this. After playing forward, it plays backward. Forward, backward, forward, backward, seamlessly. This is perfect for any pulse or breathe animation because the natural reversal looks organic. No jarring jump back to the start state. That's the complete breathing text, from compressed to expanded, fading in and out forever. Add white space no wrap to prevent the text from wrapping to a new line as it expands. Combine letter spacing with filter brightness for a gradient pulse. The text gets dimmer when compressed and brighter when expanded, like a light that breathes with the text. Very useful for CTAs or hero text. For the wave effect, you need each letter in its own span. Then animate them all with slightly different delays. Each letter bobs up and down, but because they're slightly offset in time, you get a wave effect. Small translate Y values, 4 to 6 pixels, keep it subtle and professional. Display.inlineBlock is critical here. Transform doesn't work on plain inline elements like span. Always set this when you want to animate individual letters. The easing matters enormously for breathing. Ease in out, natural, biological feel, best for breathing effects. Ease, slightly faster start, appropriate for pulsing elements. Linear, robotic, constant, not ideal for organic breathing. Custom, cubic Bezier, symmetric sine-like curve, perfect for breath. Breathing text, letter spacing plus alternate plus ease in out. And that's all. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.